I'm happy and I wish I could play much better than this. I tried, but I wanted to play better than this. I didn't throw straight punches and my guard was not on the mark and I just wish I could play better. I've been in boxing since 2 years and my coach is Miss Valanki.
I would like to encourage other boxers to come up into the boxing, to enroll themselves because boxing is a very good sport.
I'm happy that Prudent Media has taken keen interest in sports. I always know that they support sports, but now they are directly involved in boxing, and I'm very thankful to Prudent Media because I know there are various problems at this juncture the government is facing, and there are also financial issues, and I'm happy that Prudent Media has come forward and supported these sports, and whatever things are required to be done for boxing, they are also contributing to it. I'm very happy.
कुठून तुम्ही हे तुम्ही इनिशिएटीव तुम्ही तो जो तुम्ही इनिशिएटीव घेतला तो खरंच स्तुत्य असा बरो असा इनिशिएटीव तो तुम्ही आज फुडें व्हरचे आणि बॉक्सिंगाक तुम्ही जे एक कार्य बॉक्सिंग खातीर जे तुम्ही एक कार्य करता ते तुम्ही असेच सदांच चलत जावचे इतलीच इच्छा म्हजी.